Hello everyone, my name is Tierra, and today we are doing makeup tips by Tierra. Today we have Mandy, and I am going to show you how to achieve a nice bronzy look. Okay, so you only need a few things in order to actually accomplish this look. Mandy already has a really good moisturizer on. That's actually a tinted moisturizer. That's always one of the keys in order to achieve a really nice bronzy type J-Lo, Carrie Hilson type look. Secondly, you are going to need a loose bronzer. It looks very similar to this. MAC has one, NARS has one. Usually they only come in a couple colors, so loose bronzer. I am going to start by using my loose bronzer and the big blush brush or powder brush or whatever you want to call it. I only need as little bit as what's in the top. Just patch a brush. And this can go all over Miss Mandy's face. Literally, you just want to spread it around. You can even go down to the chest. And that is applying her bronzer. It's all over her face. You want it everywhere. That's fine. You just want it pretty much to highlight off of your cheekbone. And I would put this under her blush. This one is a NARS product, and I live for this blush when using a bronzer or doing a bronzy look, because the key is all about shimmer. I have my blush brush. Just gonna swirl it around in there. We're just gonna put it right there on the apple of her cheek and take it upwards. And the last step to achieving my nice golden J-Lo glow, I have only found this product with MAC. I'm not an endorser of MAC because MAC does not cut me a check, but I live by this product. These are called mineralized skin finishes. They come in, iridescent colors and all sorts of stuff. I just swirl it around. Go right on the trim of her nose. This will give her a luminescent effect. Right in her T-zone, right above the eyebrow. Because if she was to go out and take pictures, these would be the spots that highlight. And I'm going to go right outside of her eye, along the hairline, and come right over top of where I applied her blush. And that is the absolute end. So that is how you accomplish your bronzy look. And thank you for watching your Makeup Tips by Tierra. Hello everyone, my name is Tierra Burrell, professional makeup artist. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at booktierra@gmail.com or www.makeupbytierra.com. Thank you.